Guys, welcome back to your own channel Science and Techs. In this video, I will tell you about which apps you can replace with Chinese apps. So let us begin with our intro first. If you are also addicted to TikTok, then I must tell you that you may go and download the shared chat for your experience just like TikTok. Now let us talk about the scanning up of your documents. Now you may use Adobe Scan instead of Cam Scanner to scan your documents. Finding the alternative of WPS Office, that is Microsoft Office. Yes, Microsoft is also giving the Android applications of its softwares such as Word, PowerPoint, etc. So you may go and download them for your. The fact about the most played game PUBG is that the PUBG mobile for Androids and etc. were made by Chinese company Tencent Gamings, but for computers it was first developed by Korean company. If you used Beauty Plus for editing purposes, then I must tell you that from now you may use Basics 12 for the same purpose. If you used UC browser for browsing purposes, then I must tell you that you must not find its alternative because it is pre-installed in your mobile phones, that is Google Chrome. Yes, Google Chrome is also used for browsing purposes, and I think many of you may know that.